Good morning, children.
Good morning, Nisha.
How are you all?
I am fine, thank you.
Today activity, find out the fruits and vegetables. Okay?
Okay.
Nitya, go. Take out grapes. It is fruit or vegetable? Fruit. Very good. Go. Pradyumna, take out apple. It is fruit or vegetable? Very good. Go. Arjun. Arjun, come. Take out grapes. Is fruit or vegetable? Fruit. Very good. Go. Rohit, come. Take out chili. Chili. Is fruit or vegetable? Very good. Go. Ruti, come. Take out cabbage. Very good. It is fruit or vegetable? Go. Devaj, come. Take out beans. It is fruit or vegetable? Very good. Karthik, come. Take out potato. It is fruit or vegetable? Very good. Then take out carrot. It is fruit or vegetable? Very good. No. Gopal, come. Take out cauliflower. It is fruit or vegetable? Very good. Anshul, come. Take out onion. It is fruit or vegetable? Very good. Jaisha, come. Take out brinjal.